Find a sub 1 and d of an arithmetic sequence when a sub 5 equals 16 and a sub 10 equals negative 3. Our formula for an arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. What we're going to do is use the fact we know the fifth term is 16 and the 10th term is negative 3. That's going to give us two equations which contain the variables d and a sub 1, and we'll solve that system. Let's begin with the fifth term. A sub n is 16. That equals a sub 1 plus 5 minus 1 times d. That equation, when we simplify it, is 16 equals a sub 1 plus 4d. Now we'll use the 10th term. A sub 10 is equal to negative 3. Negative 3 is equal to a sub 1 plus 10 minus 1 times d. That equation then becomes negative 3 equals a sub 1 plus 9d. So we'll solve these two equations, and what I'm going to do is subtract the second equation, which would then eliminate the variable a sub 1. 16 minus a negative 3 is 16 plus 3. That's 19. The a sub 1 summed to 0. 4d minus 9d is negative 5d. Dividing both sides by negative 5, we get d equals 19 divided by negative 5, and that gives us d is equal to negative 3.8. What we'll now do is to solve for a sub 1 is I'll substitute this d value into this equation. Actually, this equation here, the simplified form. And so that would be negative 3 equals a sub 1 plus 9 times d, or in other words, 9 times negative 3.8. That's going to give us negative 3 equals a sub 1 minus 34.2. Adding 34.2 to both sides gives me a value for a sub 1 of 31.2. So in conclusion, what we have is a sub 1 equals 31.2 and d equals negative 3.8.